how to rank old content. Maybe you're wondering, why would you want to learn how to rank old content or spend time on old content? Isn't that just a waste of time? No, it is not. Some may say it is, but it's not true. I'm going to show you in this video how you can update your content and rank it higher in the search results. First, if you want to get more free tips like this on different things about marketing and how to make money online, make sure to subscribe. And I, of course, appreciate all you subscribers that's been following my channel and my content. I really appreciate it. But let's get now started with these tips. So first off, if you have any irrelevant content on your blog, you should actually remove it, although you probably have spent some time or a lot of time creating that. But if you have been writing about something that doesn't exist anymore, a site or service or something like that, then just remove it. Now, you can rank your old content and rank it better. You can have a look at it and think about, what can I change in this article to make it better? But don't just change a line or something to having the hope to rank it better. Change the most of it, or a great deal of it at least, to make it better, to make it more interesting for your readers and viewers, and to see blog posts that what post does well and who doesn't get that much views or clicks and so on. You can use Google Console, Google Search Console, or something like that. And when you want to rank your content better, make sure that you have internal links from your other blog posts to your post, or even from pages on your blog to your post. And also that you have external link to top ranking published articles or blogs and something like that in the search result. And then that way you can get to steal in a legit way. It's not really stealing, but borrow, maybe you can call it, and get link use so your content rank better. When it comes to ranking posts, one thing that definitely will help is if you have some media connected to that. And what I mean by that is, for instance, a video. If you have a video about the same content and put it in your blog post, it will help your post to rank. It will also help your video to rank. If you don't have a video on the topic you want to improve the rankings for, then do a video. You can do it in pretty short time as well. And you want to have posts that's up to date and something that your readers, of course, will be interested in reading, and so on. So when you're up to date at all posts, you should change the date for when it's published to today's date or something like that. And that tells Google also that it's fresh new content. Okay, so I hope you like these tips. Thank you for watching. And below this video I posted a link to my #1 recommendation when it comes to making money online for free, to check that all out. And have an awesome day. Bye bye.